Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we completed the brand section. In this video, I'm going to teach about the member section. Member section, we already made the member form over here. So we have to give the member form first div. Member name, we have to give us a name attribute name. So mobile. Here is a email. This name email. This password field. Here also the input type as you have to input type is a password. You have to give the password. Okay, this is all things you have did it. So here the active state you have to given over here type. Okay, this one also you have to make it as status. So here the status also we have to go to the member table. You have to check it. This one should be active. This active. We have to make it as active. This boolean active type. So this one also we have to make it as active. That's it. Right. Role. This is the we have to write the role date. Okay. This all the things you have to edit. So now we are what you are going to do is we have to make the store function. We have to make a store function. So the same thing what I did here, our brand index page. This is a form. This all things just copy it, paste on it over here. Post action route here member store function. The CRF token member store function. So this function we have to create it. Go to web. You have to create this function store member. Okay, so here store member you have to just copy it, paste it over here, but make it as store member. Store member. Okay, store member. So we have to write store member. It goes to the member table. Okay, so store member. Okay, store member. So we receive all the values. So here we have to store our all values. So we have just copy it, paste it over here. You will get the values if it is values are successfully coming or not. So write dd request. So here you write php artisan serve. Now let's test that. Let's test that. Members, all members are all members. Okay, now here I'm going to type the member name John, mobile number something like that, email john at gmail.com, password I'm going to provide some password, active state active, you have to write role, you have to write here role also we have to specify admin or user, so you have to write you have to change this role or roles also member. The same thing, just copy and paste it here. This one should be the role, the role, also admin role, the user. Okay, this is the admin of the system, this is a user of the system. And file save all. Now let's bring back to the application. So here the member registration is a member registration. So let's moving to over here. Let's okay here now. Member name John, mobile number, email address john@gmail.com, password active, role here it's coming, date also I'm going to give this date, register button. Okay, now you can see the request, your test time, everything is coming, John, this everything is coming. Okay, it's no problem, its values are coming successfully. Okay, first you have tested whether all the values are coming or not in the page, brand page. It's coming, so sorry, member brand page, it's coming. Now that's checking okay. Now I'm going to do the remaining stuff, which is we have to create, get the record and store into the respective table. So this is a member, table is a member dot create for the request. You are getting all the requests. It will be, we have here, we have attached the member, we have to give the path of the member model. We have to call the member model. The model where we have to add the record into the database. So we have model where here this model we have set into the this member. Okay, this is a class level data. We have create the data over here, class level data. We have set it here inside the construct. So this one you have set it and request all. Then it will be record will be added. So let's check it whether it's added or not. Okay, now let's check it. Sean, some mobile number, email, registered, password, active, admin, today date, register member. Join date does not have a default value. Okay, what's the problem with the default date? Join date, car sales system. Now here, what you are going to do is here the join date. It is not the problem. The join date go through here. It is not a join date. Let's file save all. Bring back to the application. We have check it. That here you have done John at gmail.com, password active a role, you have to make it as user, today's a date, click register button. Now let's check it the registration fine or not. Members, hit register success. We done the things well. Okay, it's very easy stuff to done the registration part, member registration part. We have done it successfully. Now let's see the member view part. That view the members. Let's check how to view the members. View the members. What you are going to do is here we have a table. Okay, this table that go to our brand table index. So this is a brand tables. Okay, so that's table, just copy it, paste it over here. We'll copy this and paste it over here. Okay, you have to write here member name. You have to write this kind of things. Member name, email, password, email not be showing the password, active, role, join date, join date. That's it. Right, okay. Done successfully. Save all. We get all the member details. So you have to get it here. Now here what I'm going to see, this one should be your change as a brand. You have to go to the, this one should be the member controller. So member controller you have to type it over here. This one's the response members. So member, all get to all the member details via the model when the page is loaded and pass into the member page index action method. Okay, with the data. So these members, I'm going to load it over here. Member, here's a member. Okay, so get member name, copy and paste it below the rest of the fields. Member name, second one is with the member name. Second field, but get the fields like this. What do you get them? Email, active, role, join date. These are things you have to put it. Okay, so after that you have to write member, edit. So this one the edit and edit you have to, this one you have to, we at the moment you have to get rid of these two lines, we have to remove them. Later on we have to put it. Now let's file save all and test out the application or member. Okay, here it's working. All the member details should be, it is display over here. So what's the problem? The member name, email, brand name, display, active state to display, it's row. This one has the row. Now here you have the mobile. This one should be the mobile. So here also the email mobile. This one should be the not a brand name mobile. Third one is the email. Second one is a mobile. Third one is a email. After that active. After that role. Join date. That's a field. Now let's check on. Now it would be fine. Here it's working. It's working fine. Here it's working fine. Like it's working fine. Now what I'm going to do is now another one. The important things we have to do it. The member controller, while you adding the store the password, it should be the hash. The hash password, how to store it, we have to write if is set the password field is coming, you have to get the password field only. This password with the data, we have to set as a hash format. Then you have to create the record. Okay, you'll get as a hash format, right? Okay, there we have tried this also request. So hash password, the data request. Okay, now let's check it whether it's created the hash or not. Jesse, mobile number, email, something like Jesse, gmail.com. Give role a user. Sorry, like the hash password, the controller. I haven't found the hash password. Okay, so import the hash. Now you have to put into this hash. Here you have type it the member table. Use eliminate support upgrade. Inside here this hash is there. So that make error. Now let's again you save all. And again you have to go and check it. So let's save, refresh it. Member Arun, mobile number, email Arun at gmail.com, password 123, active, role I'm going to admin, state, click register. Okay. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Here password make as a hash password. Okay, the simple code you have to make it as useful as a simple code. This how you have normally we have saved the records. It's the database. The password is visible for everyone. Don't save like this. You have to save the hash password. So that is the way you have to do it, the hash password. Okay, so simple step Laravel. You have to get the password. You have first if set request password. We can just get the password and you have to hash it and you have to store over here. Simple. Okay, I hope you guys will understand things well. I'll get in touch in my next video tutorial. Thank you.